This question, we have a quadratic equation, but the question says solve the equation giving your solutions correct to three significant figures, which means that we must use the quadratic formula. Now that's given to us in the front of the exam paper, and it tells us if we have a quadratic equation of this form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then we can find x by using the fact that x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all of which is divided by 2a. So we need to establish for this equation here, what are a, b and c? Well, in this case, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 4. So let's substitute those in the equation over here. Minus b, well, that's going to be minus 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, well that's 2 squared, which is 4, minus, now be careful here, I'm going to use a bracket around here, 4 times 5 times minus 4. And that is all divided by 2a, and 2 times a is 2 5s, which is 10. Okay, let's carry on. So that's minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus, now if I work out the bracket, 4 times 5 times minus 4, well that comes out as minus 80. And that's divided by 10. And I can see now that the top is going to be minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus minus 80 is actually 4 plus 80, which is 84. And that's divided by 10. I now get my calculator out. Now one of my solutions is going to be minus 2 plus the square root of 84 divided by 10, and the other solution is going to be minus 2 take away the square root of 84 divided by 10. So if you type that into your calculator, the first one comes out as 0.71651, and the second one comes out as minus 1.1165, etc. If I round both of those to three significant figures, the first one is 0.717, so that's my first answer, and that's a value of x, or the other value is going to be minus 1.12.